Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com. And on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your iPhone. And it's an easy guide that doesn't require any additional app. So before, when you wanted to record your screen, if you're a blogger like myself and you want to do like a tutorial, or if you're a gamer and you want to capture your screen while playing a game, or if you just want to show the different apps that you have on your phone to someone else, you will have to download a third-party app to record your screen. Now, if you currently have the latest version of Apple software, iOS 11, you don't need to do this anymore. You don't need to use a third-party app. You can use it from your control center. It's included in your phone as an additional function that you have. So it's really, really nice if you need to record your screen, you want to showcase a tutorial, you want to showcase the apps that you have, or anything else that you would like to use it for. It's a great feature to have, and it's very easy to use. So let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do when you're ready to go ahead and record, you want to go to settings. So you click on settings, and from there you want to go scroll down and go to control center. And then you want to click on customize controls. Once you're in customize controls, the screen recording is usually on the bottom. I have it on the top because I already had it in my phone installed. So you go to the bottom, search for screen recording, add it, and it automatically is going to be included on the top now. So now it's added there. So all you have to do is click off the control center. So just click the home circle on the front of your phone. That's going to take you to your home page. And all you have to do now is swipe up on your screen. And this is the control center. So you will see a little circle on the right left bottom. Now, what you do next in order to start recording your screen is you click on the circle and your phone will start recording the video. Now, do keep in mind that when you click it down, you're going to have a 3-second countdown. So that's how you know it's about to start recording. It will go from 3, 2, 1. Once you do that, while it's recording, you will see on your screen, like you see on mine, on the top, you'll see a red bar plaster on the top of your phone. That means that you are actually recording at that current moment. When you're done recording your screen and you want to stop it, you click on the red bar, and it's going to bring up a confirmation tab. It's going to say, screen is recording. Would you like to stop recording? When you're done recording, you press stop. It will automatically stop recording, and then the red bar on the top of your screen will disappear. And then in order to get the video will be saved on your photos. So all you will have to do later to go ahead and download the video, you will click on photos. Your video will be there already installed. And then from there, all you have to do is transfer the video, whether you want to share it through YouTube directly using the YouTube Studio app, or whether you want to text it to someone or email to someone. So this is the quickest way to record your iPhone screen without having to use any additional apps. It's a very easy technique to use. So hopefully this video came in handy. If you guys have any questions about this tutorial, or would like to see additional tutorials that I have not covered yet, make sure that you like my video, subscribe to my channel for additional videos, and make sure you leave a comment below with any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.